AI didn't take your job, you gave it away. Let's get real. AI didn't take your job. You handed it over. You might not want to hear it, but it's the truth. Every second you ignore AI, someone else is learning it, using it, and outpacing you. The gap is widening, and it's not slowing down. This isn't the future, this is now. The world is moving at a breakneck speed, and AI is at the forefront. AI isn't coming for jobs. It's taking them in real time. The transformation is happening right before our eyes. From customer service reps to video editors, coders to writers, AI is replacing tasks at speeds humans can't match. It's not just about speed, it's about efficiency and precision. The brutal truth? The jobs aren't disappearing, they're evolving. They're just being done by people who learned AI first. The early adopters are reaping the benefits. AI works harder, smarter, and cheaper than you. It's a relentless worker that never tires. AI doesn't need sleep, breaks, or benefits. It operates around the clock, tirelessly. It doesn't get sick, complain, or demand a raise. It's the perfect employee in many ways. It works 24/7 without burnout. The consistency and reliability are unmatched. And if you're not using it to your advantage, you're already behind. The competition is fierce, and AI is the game changer. Writers, AI generates content in seconds. The speed and volume are staggering. Coders, AI writes code faster than most junior developers. It's not just about speed, it's about accuracy and efficiency. Artists, AI creates graphics, logos, and even full-blown animations instantly. The creative possibilities are endless. Video editors, AI cuts, refines, and even generates entire videos in minutes. The production process is revolutionized. Are you seeing the pattern yet? The integration of AI is pervasive and transformative. You have two choices: adapt or become obsolete. The decision is yours, and the stakes are high. Reality check. Companies aren't hesitating to replace slow, outdated workers with AI-powered efficiency. The shift is happening rapidly. If you're not learning AI tools now, you're volunteering to be left behind. The window of opportunity is closing. But here's the upside. AI isn't just a job killer, it's a job accelerator for those who use it. Embrace it, and it can propel your career. The people who master AI will replace the ones who ignore it. It's a competitive edge you can't afford to miss. The smartest workers aren't competing with AI. They're using it to multiply their output. They understand the synergy between human creativity and AI efficiency. AI isn't here to take your job. Someone using AI is. The real threat is the person who leverages AI better than you. The playbook: how to make AI work for you, not against you. It's time to take control and use AI to your advantage. Step 1. Learn AI tools today. The sooner you start, the better positioned you'll be. ChatGPT, Midjourney, Runway AI, 11 Labs, NVIDIA AI, Perplexity AI, these aren't toys. They're your new coworkers. Each tool offers unique capabilities that can enhance your productivity. Find out which AI tools are affecting your industry and master them before someone else does. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's job security. Step 2. Automate what slows you down. Free up your time for more strategic tasks. The best workers aren't afraid of AI, they delegate to it. They understand the value of automation. Automate emails, reports, research, coding, video editing, and more. Let AI handle the repetitive tasks. Use AI to handle the grunt work so you can focus on the high-value creative thinking. Your creativity is your most valuable asset. Step 3. Offer what AI can't. This is where you can truly differentiate yourself. AI is powerful, but it lacks human strategy, emotional intelligence, and unique insight. These are your strengths. The smartest workers leverage AI for speed, then add the human element that makes them irreplaceable. It's about creating a harmonious balance. Final warning: no one is coming to save you. The responsibility lies with you. Your employer isn't going to tap you on the shoulder and say, "Hey, you should start using AI." The initiative must come from you. There won't be a warning sign when your job gets replaced. The change will be swift and without notice. If you don't move first, someone else will, and they'll take your paycheck with them. The competition is real and relentless. This is your wake-up call. The time to act is now. AI isn't some far-off future threat. It's happening right now. The integration is already underway. You can either control it or be controlled by it. Your move. The choice is yours to make. AI didn't take your job. You gave it away. It's time to take responsibility and take action. Let's get real. AI didn't take your job. You handed it over. The power to change is in your hands. Every second you ignore AI, someone else is learning it, using it, and outpacing you. The race is on, and it's time to catch up. This isn't the future. This is now. The urgency is real, and the time to act is now.